My name's Thomas Hassell, and welcome to Vibram Fivefingers. Hey, here we are at the world-famous Wildhorse Saloon here in Nashville, Tennessee, on stage before my band's about to perform later tonight. I'm going to teach you a few things about Vibram Fivefingers. Now, I've been wearing Fivefingers for about 10 years now, since about 2007. And a lot of people will say that you need to really wake up your toes, be able to put them into those toe pockets. But my feet are used to it by now. So all I'll do is I put my foot in the shoe just like any regular shoe. Get my heel down the back pocket, and then I take my fingers and I put them between the toe pockets and make sure all the toes are lined up just right. Just like that. And then if you have tighteners, pull the tighteners down just like that. There you go. So before I start my shows, I like to stretch. And some ways that I do that is getting onto the very tip of my toes and stretching up towards the ceiling. I also like to do a kind of lunge technique where I stretch my calves and my feet at the same time. I also like doing this kind of Spider-Man pose where I can make sure that my knees, my thighs, my calves, and my feet are all ready to go. And that's how I set up for a perfect show.